This look that
Shit.
This look that
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Just take it off.
I gotta get that. No. Whoa. You'll never reach for a bad bitch weed. What's up? What's up, y'all? It's your girlfriend. It's Marie. And as you can see, Lee ain't even with me. He ain't even here. Look around. He ain't even over here. He ain't even over here. But y'all already know we the plus size edition and everything you be singing. Period, poo. Period. Okay? So, y'all see that thumbnail. Y'all see that title. Y'all already know your girl is finna add Ratchet to see how your boy Lee react. I'm finna see how my boyfriend know this, cause this how I'm rocking today. This how I'm feeling today. This what I want to do today. So, y'all, we are doing post notification shout out. So, in order for you, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell, and then let us sister know when you done. You gotta be like, period, boo. I done did that, sir. I done did it. So, y'all, I ain't even finna keep talking because we'll be getting ready to go somewhere, whatever. So, I'm finna just go ahead and get to it. Like, it ain't shit to do it. Let it do it. Okay? Let's get into this motherfucking video.
Babe, come on. Like, I'm already dressed and shit. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. Where we going? Where we going? Where we going?
Wait. Close the door. Close that door.
What we closing the door for?
Close the door, cause
What is we closing the door for?
why do you look like this?
Look like what?
Why do you look like this?
I ain't sexy. What is you talking about?
I'm saying.
What is you talking about? You ain't finna try to play no player like that.
Like this?
You ain't even finna try to play no player like that. I am
What
sexy.
the fuck?
I am a bad bitch. Okay? Check the grill.
You got a grill.
You better ask somebody.
You got a grill.
You better ask somebody. Woo!
Why you have a grill?
What is you talking about?
Like, baby, your wig, pull it up.
My edges is baby. My edges is laid.
Baby, the wig is moonwalking backwards.
No, it is not. My edges is laid. I thought we were supposed to get ready to go somewhere.
Babe, we is.
Let's go.
Not like this, babe.
What's wrong?
I'm not like some chill shit, regular attire.
I'm in some chill shit.
Hey, you have a necklace that have on sexy. I didn't even know you.
Oh,
had
say it
a
again, baby. A bitch is wet.
A necklace? Why
A bitch is wet. No, say it again. Say it again. A bitch is wet.
Why did you have that necklace?
Sexy. Period, Daddy.
Why do you have to take that grill out your damn mouth?
Baby, come on, let's
Hey,
go.
shit,
Let's
wig,
go.
What is these on your wrists? Who dressed
It's
you?
jewelry. I dressed me. What is you saying? The fuck? You know who you looking at? Oh, make sure my lips is
Oh,
popping.
damn, lip gloss. Hey, is them snakes on your ears?
Ooh.
You got snake earrings?
Yes, I can see them snakes from a mile away, baby.
So you put the snakes on your ears so you can
On my
see the
ears, so I
snakes
can see them with it.
from a mile away.
From a mile. Ooh. Ooh.
Babe, this ain't it. This is not it.
If you
I don't
can't
like
fuck with
this.
my style, baby, you ain't it.
I don't like
You ain't
this.
it.
And
You
them-
ain't
and
it.
Them lashes is longer
You
than
ain't
normal.
it.
Them lashes is longer than normal.
These minks, baby.
Babe,
Babe.
that wig.
Babe, do you know how much my minks
fucking
cost? Do you know how much my minks cost, though?
Oh my God.
My minks.
That wig.
My minks.
The fucking
It don't even matter. This wig was on sale about $20.
It's moonwalking backwards.
No, it ain't. Them my edges. I had my edges, baby. Come on, let me put you up on some
Never seen a
style.
wig secure like that.
Let me dress you, cause you looking a little raunchy right
I'm
now.
just chilling. I'm chilling. I got on some regular shit.
I got on some regular shit.
I got on regular shit. We going to a regular store.
I got on regular shit. I'm going to a regular store. Fuck is you
We
saying?
can't be seen like you got spikes on your wrist.
Woo! What you got the drip, daddy?
Why do you have that on?
Hey, this what you call fashion, baby?
You look embarrassing. Like you.
See,
look
now you finna really piss me off and make me go to like 100 real quick, cause you ain't even finna try to diss me like that. We ain't even finna play this kind of games, baby. We ain't even finna play like that. So don't get disrespectful. Get my hitters on that ass. Don't play.
You look like.
Don't play.
If what the fuck was a
Don't
person.
do it. Don't.
If what the fuck.
Don't do it.
Listen. To
Don't.
Me. Just listen to me. If what the fuck was a
Child.
person, it'll be you.
I ain't got time for this.
If
I'm
what the fuck
finna.
was a person, would it be? Babe, we're not going nowhere like
We
that.
are. I'm finna put my shoes on.
No. Everything from the necklace to the earrings to the bangles on your wrist. When do you wear shit? When do you start?
So should I put these
Not with
on?
them shoes.
No?
No.
Alright. These. I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna wear these. Cause I got these on the $10 store. But they're gonna sell, so they're like $2.50. Baby, got a steal. Got a whole outfit for $10. Whole outfit for $10.
Take it out. Take everything off. How about this? Let's just go back to sleep and we'll wake back up and start this day again. Cause this is not it, baby. That wig, look, you look like somebody beat you up.
I'm finna beat you up for being disrespectful.
Like, this is not. I don't like this.
And then about what you like. I am fashion, baby.
Huh? You what?
I am fashion.
Fails. You're a fashion fail.
No, I am fashion.
Fail.
Fashion.
Fail. You're a fashion fail.
All right, well, I'm gonna just go on myself
What
here
the
because
fuck
you
was
be
a
doing.
person, it'll be you. Like, look what you got on.
Let me call my niggas, cause you over here trying it. You being
Niggas don't
disrespectful.
want shit like this.
You being disrespectful.
Look at that necklace.
Let me call my niggas,
Take that
cause
shit off.
you gonna quit
Why you got
disrespecting me.
Why you got that necklace on?
Cause a bitch is sexy.
You motherfuckers was wearing that shit at like, oh.
Well, it's time for it to come back in style. It's time for it to come back in style. It's time for it to come back in style.
Motherfuckers
Period.
wearing that with the bamboo.
Period. That's how you get a motherfucker to shut the fuck up. Cause you being disrespectful, you about to piss me off. Look, a bitch is starting to sweat. You about to have me sweat out my edges.
They've already been sweated out.
No, they not, cause I laid them down. I was like, swoop. I laid them down.
What you do?
Swoop. I had laid them down.
One more time. What you do?
Swoop. Like a bitch I made sure I was bad this morning. Like, I don't know why you even trying to sit here and play me like that. Let's not even do all of that, okay?
I'm embarrassed.
Well, you can be whatever you want to be.
And I'm embarrassed.
You can be whatever you want to be, but a bitch is bad.
Like, look at this.
A bitch is bad.
Look at that. Look what
Hold on, let me get on Instagram real quick.
No. Shit, no.
I gotta do me a little boomerang.
No. Nobody can see this. I'm ashamed that I have seen this.
You be disrespectful one more motherfucking time, we gonna have an issue.
Baby, please, come on, seriously.
Do I need to call my team, my hitters?
Man, we trying to go. We finna be late, bro.
And you want to sit here and argue? I told you sweating out my goddamn edges.
What?
Like, they not even swoop no more. They probably like this.
Like,
God, dog.
Somewhere, and you're.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is not it, babe. Like, honestly, no.
Bro, let's go.
No.
Let's go. Like,
please.
let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Please change your clothes. Please. That's all
I'm not.
Please change your clothes. Like, look at you. Stand in the mirror and look at yourself. Look at yourself. Look at yourself.
Ooh! Who is that baddie right there? Cake's looking good.
Wear grills.
Woo! Cause you want to be arguing and going back and forth. No, you want to argue and keep going back and forth. I'm trying to understand. Like, let's go, baby. Let's go.
You got like a pound of grease in your head.
It's edge control, so it can go swoop. I just told you that.
What is it supposed to do?
Swoop. I just told you that. Ooh.
One more time. What does it do?
You don't make my ponytail come out. That's all right. I can rock this look too.
What is this look?
Bad bitch alert. Baby alert.
Please, baby, please. I'm not even joking. I'm not even trying to be
Who
funny.
playing?
I'm disgusted with this look right here. This ain't even you.
Oh, it's about time for another lip gloss chick.
This ain't even you.
What you in my lip
I
gloss?
don't fuck that lip gloss, but this ain't even you, man. Like, come on, like, seriously, can you please? Let's just let me get a towel.
No.
Wipe this shit off.
You're not wiping nothing off of me. What did you try out? You be doing too much.
Get a towel. Shit clean off of your face.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come on.
Don't touch. Don't.
You got gold
You
and
can
red
look.
on your eyes?
You can look, but don't touch.
Why do you have gold and red on your eyes?
To match the motherfucking fit, daddy.
Like, come on.
To match The suave, baby.
The suave of what?
A baby. I'm trying to tell you, like, come on.
I'm trying to, but you're holding us.
Here we
back.
go. Let's go.
Let's back. This is. Yeah. Listen to me.
Ooh, child, this wig is itching.
Let's talk about it. This look.
Shit.
This look. That
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Just take it off.
I gotta get that. No. Whoa. You'll never reach for a bad bitch weed. Shit. Who raised these niggas?
Who raised you?
Who?
The fuck? Spikes on your wrist and shit like this shit is fashionable.
It is, baby. I'm trying to tell you. Let me put you on to some new shit, because the shit you got ain't working.
That cheap ass earring fell out.
First of all.
Get that cheap ass receipt. Take that earring don't even want to be in your ear.
First of
Check
all.
this shit
Don't
out.
be.
That was a sign.
Don't be
from,
doing the most.
Thank you, God. That was a sign from God.
Don't be doing the most. I can put it right back in.
Let me see.
Boom. A bitch just clip on. Clip on. Clip off. The fuck? You ain't stopping shit. Fuck think this nigga. Who the fuck do you think you is?
Bro.
Shit.
You ain't gonna believe what the fuck I'm seeing right now.
So, are we gonna go or not? Like, what we doing? Because I feel like I done sweat my edges. You know what? Let me go get my stuff so I can redo my edges.
Oh, step back so I can get this picture.
Oh, we taking pictures?
These folks are not finna believe.
We taking pictures?
Right.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. My clip on came out. Hold on. Ooh. Check the drip. Come on. Check the drip. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Look, stay right here. I'm finna
That's what I'm
walk
talking
out. Walk out the room, and I'm gonna come back in.
Alright.
I'm gonna give you like 5 minutes.
5 minutes to do what?
Get your shit together.
My shit is together.
Coming back.
My shit is together. What is you saying? What is you saying? Babe. 10 girlfriend and converse down below, y'all, because I think I hit y'all. Like, let me know. Can I be chat? Wait, hey, me. I think I'm gonna keep it going though. Babe. Baby. Lee. Alright, y'all, I think I'm finna end this video because he look like he really finna get frustrated. So here we go. Watch this. Lee. It's a prank, baby. It's a prank. It's a prank. You ain't even gotta act like all. You ain't even gotta do all of that. Did I get you?
Bro,
did I get you? Did I get you? But did I get you, dog?
No.
But did I get you, dog?
No.
So you don't like me being ratchet, baby?
No.
You don't like my ratchet look, daddy?
No.
Alright, y'all. So this finna wrap up the video and like make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Comment box is down below. If you can't find it, all you gotta do like scroll up or whatever. And let us know how we did on this video because a bitch was ratchet. Okay? Okay? It's time we take it out, baby. The wig is just not it, baby. Whoo! Whoo! Alright, y'all.
Bro, this shit, I'm tired of looking at you like this. Like, you look disgusting.
Alright, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time for post notifications. Shout out! And the post notification shout out that they gonna get today is who, baby?
I don't know.
Who is it, Eddie? Who is it, Eddie? Who getting the shout out today?
Life with Dark Skin Alexis. Shout out to Life with Dark Skin. Shout
out, baby.
Shout out to Life with Dark Skin Alexis. Hey, y'all see her in his YouTube street. So what up, Dark Skin Alexis?
What up?
Dark Skin Alexis wanna welcome you to the heavy gang.
Welcome home, bitch.
Size heavy because we the strongest gang alive.
What he said.
You feel? Alright, y'all. Peace. Get this shit over with. Peace. Once again.
Babe.
I gotta get mad. I'm mad giving the goddamn.
Babe.
That's my girlfriend, Louise Marie. I'm Heavy Lee.
That's my boyfriend, Lee.